Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video, I will show you how to edit your photos with Moody Gold Preset using Lightroom Mobile. Passwords for presets will appear as an iCard anytime in this video. Make sure to subscribe my channel. So let's start editing. Bring the contrast to -16. Highlights to -78 and shadows to 66. Whites to -80 and blacks to -10. Bring temp to -6, tint to 4 and vibrance to 8. Now go to color mix. Bring hue and saturation to -10 and luminance to 8 for red and orange. For yellow, bring hue to -50, saturation to 16 and luminance to -12. Bring hue and saturation to -100 and luminance to -20 for green. For aqua, bring hue to -80, saturation to 10 and luminance to -16. For blue, hue to -30, saturation to 20 and luminance to -14. For purple, hue to -20, saturation to -80 and luminance to -16. Now bring clarity to 20, dehaze to 6, vignette to -20, midpoint to 30 and feather to 80. go to color grading. For highlights, hue to 70 and saturation to 25. For shadows, hue to 25 and saturation to 5. Sharpening to 20, noise and color noise reduction to 15. Now let's try to copy settings to other photos. You might need to change some settings after applying to your photos. Thanks for watching and stay connected by subscribing.
I gave you my heart.